Alright, welcome back everyone. So in the last video we fetched all this stuff from our endpoints. Now we need to show it in our UI. So what we're gonna do is go back to our code, of course, and let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this too. And let's have like a huge ass div. Within that div, what we can do is have, let's map through the query. Oh, where is it? Result data that we get back, right? So we have the result data and we're gonna say map, and from the map we get, oh crap, we get an item back and we get an index, and then it's gonna return some stuff. I'm just gonna put like one of these just to be safe, and say we're gonna get an H1, because what we need is the title, right? Title and the year. But what do we get back from that? So what the okay, let's go back to our, yeah, so we can see that we get back these 5 items. Let's just copy it down here just for reference. Whoa, crap. And just have these guys hidden so we can have title, year. Ooh, poster. Yeah, okay, let's just put the poster into, it'll look pretty cool. Title is gonna be item dot title, and then we can put the date in mini letters here, which is gonna be year, and then we can, let's put the image too, because I like images, it makes me feel cool. Poster, okay, yeah, poster, okay, sick. What we need now is, I guess we need a button, right? And the button will say add to, what is the term they called? Nominee. Okay, let's copy paste this. Add to nominee. Alright, let's see what we have. Oh, sick. Alright. Alright, so we have, let's see if we get something else. Does it update? Cannot read property of map. Undefined. Result data is undefined. Why? Alright, so it looks like I'm gonna have to put like some if statements. So we can save result data dot length is less than or equal to 0. Let's just show no data to show. Otherwise, just loop through the crap. Right, okay, now if I say, what's a good movie? Oh, Lord of the Rings. I love Lord of the Rings. Lord of the, alright, sick. This shows up, but if I delete it, it fucking crashes again. What? If, okay, we can just say if not result. So it's saying if result is not, that means there's no results, right? So let's say Lego movie. Okay, no data. Okay, what about now? Okay, no data to show. Awesome. But what about Okay, sweet. So we just have to handle this error here. Let's see, what are we on time? Okay, sweet. Squeeze me. So what we need to do now is, let's go back to our Lego. What we need to do now is add another, like once we click this, we're gonna add another, oh wait, let's sort this out. We don't want all that stuff, you know. Let's just sort out our query, the search query, to, I think it's called, how do I get, okay, let me do some Googling here. How to select an element in array JavaScript. First an element. Look at all these blog posts, man. People write blog posts about anything nowadays. Alright, there's a slice. So it's gonna be the first 5, alright. So right before we do all this stuff, we want, let's just say 5 elements. 5 or, yeah, I'm gonna do it, yeah, 5 is fine. So let's go in here and see. If I refresh, let's say Lego movie 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What doesn't work? Okay, that's not fun. Oh, it gets sent to a new array. Crap. So what we can do here is just slice it right here. Okay. Lego 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, sick. So let's go ahead and create another list. Let's call it nominee. How do you spell nominee? Nominee. Nominee? Is that how you spell it? Nominee. Hold on, I need to spell it properly. Nominations. Okay. Let's just say nominations. Set nominations. So it's gonna be empty by default. And what we're gonna do is, once we click this button on click, we can say add to nominations, right, like that. And we want it to run when you press on this, so execute when you call this dude. Now we have to define const, right? And what we're gonna do is pass in the item itself. Can I do that? Yeah, I can pass in the item itself, and it's gonna add it, the object, to our array here. So it's gonna be item. I forget how you do it using like the spread notation. So I can say maybe something like this. Nominations. Like this. Maybe items. So it's gonna take whatever I have and append item. Let's see if it works, because I don't know. Before we do that, let's copy this entire guy. Let's add maybe like an HR, just so we can see the difference. And now instead of result data, we can say nominations. And in here we can say, we don't really need this right now. Alright, let's see if this works. Okay, cool. So nothing in there. See Lego movie again. Right. Oh, what the heck? Oh, we need a key. Okay, we'll get to that in a bit. add to list. Alright, sick. Now we need to hide it, like make sure it's disabled. And that's easy to do. We can just say in here disabled. We can say, okay, is this in our nomination list? If yes, if is this includes in our nomination, yes. If yes, then disable. Otherwise, don't do anything. Alright, sweet. There's a disable since it's already there. Alright, so I'm gonna end this video here. So what we're gonna do next is probably find a way to delete it from the nominee list, and then we can do some of these other requirements. Alright, ciao.